In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy stocks with margin on Robinhood using your computer. Whether you're considering trading with margin for the first time or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through each step and share some helpful insights along the way. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log in to the Robinhood website using your PC. Once you've entered your credentials and reached your account dashboard, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Account tab. Go ahead and click on this, and from the drop-down options, select Investing. This section provides an overview of your current investment account, and it's where you'll access key information related to margin trading. One of the most important things to pay attention to in this area is your buying power. Your buying power tells you the maximum amount you're currently able to trade with, including the additional funds available to you through margin. This figure automatically takes into account both your own deposited funds and any extra credit extended to you for margin trading. It's important to monitor this because it can fluctuate based on your portfolio's value and any recent trades. Now, when you're ready to place a trade using margin, start by opening up the stock you're interested in purchasing. Navigate to the stock's detail page and look for the trade option. Click on Trade, then select Buy to begin your order. You'll be prompted to enter the number of shares you wish to purchase. Be precise, as this determines both your investment and your use of available margin. Before proceeding, make sure that the Buying with Margin option is selected. This ensures that your purchase will utilize your margin buying power, rather than just your own cash funds. Robinhood should display this choice automatically for accounts with margin enabled, but it's always wise to double check. After confirming all these details, click Review. This gives you a final summary of your transaction, including the total cost and how much margin you're about to use. If everything looks correct, go ahead and click Buy to complete your purchase. After your trade is placed, it's crucial to regularly monitor your account status to avoid margin calls or accidentally exceeding your margin limits. To do this, head back to the account section, select Investing, and keep an eye on your buying power frequently. Staying on top of these numbers helps you manage risk and ensures you're within the guidelines set by Robinhood. And that's it. With these straightforward steps, you can start buying stocks with margin on Robinhood. Remember, trading with margin can increase potential gains, but also carries additional risks. Always make sure you understand the terms before proceeding, and happy trading.